Goods.
Sabi ko, for this past 2 months, it's a really big change. A sudden change talaga sa POV ko, sa talaga life ko as a Christian talaga. Kasi for context, this is not my first job. This is technically my third job. The last 2 job, para mabilis na lang. Yung first job ko is 5 years.
Recording.
Yung second job ko is 1 year. Pero pareho silang as very stressful and very restricted yung movement mo.
Grabe. Hindi, joke lang.
Pero it was really hard yung time na yun talaga. I'm actually quite peaceful right now. Thankful
coming from some crew.
Yes.
Crew. And then, against na naman, ina-encourage ko si JB na wala tayong maging hard feelings. Pero it's a feeling that naramdaman mo yun.
Yes.
So, it's valid. It's things to improve of different areas ng mga pinagdaanan mo. Pero, you've survived it.
Yes. It's true.
Saka, for me lang yung sa naranasan ni JB. I think, may tinuturo talaga sagad sa kanya. Sa lahat ng mga naranasan natin dyan mga kapatid, lahat ng mga naranasan niya up and down, may tinuturo sigad sa atin. And I'm so proud of you, brother, to be part of this company.
Thank you mga brothers. Yun nga, always remember natin na yung feelings na nararamdaman natin, positive or negative, it's okay. Those are valid. Pwede mong sabihin kay God kahit anong emotion or lahat ng mga hinanakit sa puso mo, you can tell that to God. And I believe na marinig yun ni God, tas tutulungan ka. He will not shame you, He will not judge you, but instead He will help you at the utmost mysterious and the most magnificent way that He can. Kasi may mga times kasi na kapag nag-prayer tayo or kapag humihingi tayo ng tulong kay God, minsan hindi natin nararamdaman. Kung minsan na-frustrate ka, pero always tandaan ninyo, huwag kayong mawawala ng pag-asa kay God. Lahat ng mga tao sa buong mundo, pwede kayong ma-let down. Pero si God, never, not one time, hindi kayo ila-let down niya. Ako, naramdaman ko na parang na-let down ako ni God, pero hindi. He gave me one lifeline. And yun nga, this is the lifeline that I received and Bison. And now, I am fully grateful. Talagang grateful ako na maging part ng team na ito, surrounded by napaka-awesome na brothers.
Let's go!